Behind me is the MFW-35. This unit is meant to be paired with one of our BB rental units or as a standalone feedwater trailer. Let's go inside and take a look. Here inside the MFW-35, we see that this is a full feedwater system for a portable boiler room. So up here in the front, we have a duplex water softener system sized for 100% makeup water. Now this unit can produce 35,000 pounds per hour of treated feedwater for a boiler. So these water softeners are each sized to produce 100% of that load, so you don't have to bring any condensate back to this trailer. Now if we look on this side of the container, we have our control panel complete with a touchscreen interface. This is part of the BoilerLink system, which will integrate nicely with your BMS or with one of our boiler-in-a-box systems. This will completely operate everything inside of this container easily with a touchscreen interface. Now if we look up to the front of the container, we'll see the rest of the equipment. This big tank behind me is the pressurized Deaerator designed for a maximum allowable working pressure of 50 psi and an output of 35,000 pounds per hour of treated water. Now this tank was custom designed with one of our vendors so that we can get the exact solution required into this container to best fit your facility. Below the tank we can see all of the pumps and the piping that is required to get this water out to your facility. Now these pumps up front are the booster pumps. Because we don't have the height required for the net positive suction head of the pressurized pumps, we use booster pumps to make sure that we keep these pumps operating on their best possible curve. Now if we look to the back, we can see the rest of the equipment. Here at the back of the MFW-35, we have the remainder of the equipment. Now the center point here are these two large feedwater pumps. Each of these feedwater pumps is sized to do the full duty of the container. Each of these will do 35,000 pounds per hour of deaerated water at a maximum of 265 psi. Now the piping train here is a header custom design so that you can connect to either side of the container. It allows for flexibility for installation at your facility. Now the rest of the equipment included back here includes a chemical tank which will be used to treat the feed water as it goes out of the container. We also have all of the air compressor, the dryer, and the tank for all of the pneumatic valves throughout the container. Now this is the MFW-35, the perfect feedwater solution for your facility, and we look forward to seeing you on the next job.